Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Coursera for Business, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Coursera for Business, start by visiting the Coursera for Business website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a secure password, then submit the form. Once you have created your account, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account and log into the Coursera for Business platform. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you will find various options. Select the Admin tab to access admin settings and features. From the admin settings, click on Manage Teams to set up user groups within your organization. You can invite team members by entering their email addresses and assigning them to specific roles. Next, navigate to the Content Library to explore course offerings. While in the Content Library, browse through available courses and specializations that best suit your business needs. Once you find the desired courses, add them to your selection. To finalize your course selection, proceed to the Billing section to choose a payment plan. Choose from available options depending on your organization's size and needs. After selecting a plan, enter your payment details and confirm your purchase. Once the payment is processed, your account will be activated with the chosen courses. Return to that admin dashboard to customize user management settings. Here, you can set learning paths, track progress, and gain insights into course completion rates. Ensure to communicate with your team about accessing and utilizing the platform effectively. Finally, encourage team members to explore the courses and engage with the content. Your Coursera for Business account is now fully activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.